Look at everybody, it's Harry Box with the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Thursday, February the 1st, 2004. Well, a really nice rally back on Wall Street. The indices closing near the highs for the day. Lots of stocks did very well today. We had a bunch of them to show you. So let's take a look at ARQT, Tech Trader Swing, which made a new high today. Matter of fact, it's the highest level on it since September. And today's action took out the declining top line, closing right about there. It's going to be interesting to see if this thing can continue to extend or whether or not it's a little bit short-term overbought. Anyway, today's reversal was very positive as it came down to test and then turned right around and ramped up again. I can see a follow-through on this one. The next target's $9. In the gold sector, gold perked up today. AU broke out, in my thinking. Little mini inverse head and shoulders, but more importantly, a pop through the moving averages. 3 million shares traded and the stock was up 107 or 6%. And then now looking for a move that gets it up towards 20. And then the 2021 area beyond that, 23. BMEA extending up another $12 or 6.2%. Buying was 1.3 million. Not a lot, but for that stock, not bad. The next resistance and area of target would be for me 22 3/4. CAPT exploding and really ramping here. Don't know how far they can take this, but looks like a $7, $8 stock, maybe more. CCJ in the uranium group, purveyor and leader of uranium. I would have to say this stock has got legs for 55 and 60. CLS has been in a fantastic trend since May when it was trading around 10. It's now 36 and change and running. I have a target in the mid 40s, but first $40 would maybe tested. EWTX, what a rock and roll stock this is. Look at this. Spike up, three-wave corrected pullback, breakaway gap, and runs vertically from about 11, 910 zone to 1990. My target 23. EYPT Tech Trader Swing after a pop and pull back. Now moved from about 17, 18 range, about 10 points to 20, 905 at the high. That's near my first target. Secondary target 32, and then high 30s. GTHX, after spiking in December and pulling back, one good day, it just ramped right back up again. It's gone from 215 to 485. Pull back, ready to go again today. 53 cents, 13%. The buying wasn't heavy, but if it gets through here, you're looking at a gap fill that might get this to 7. MINM broke out of its 2-month wedge yesterday and followed through today with a pop, and it did pull back from 3.5 to 772, doubling, and then some. It backed up to 535, still closed up $1.26, 31%. Mine was a heavy 46 million. I'm now looking to see if this is going to be able to get up back up towards 10. NKTX broke out of its wedge today. Probably going to test the spike high at 11.25 as early as tomorrow, but we get through this, you're looking at a $14 stock potentially. NRBO with a monstrous move today. We traded that well. Went 320 to 675. Traded a mere 73 million shares and closed near the upper end of the range. Next target would be a test of around 7.5. NXC in the metals group, really strong pattern. Broke out of a base here, retested and channeled up. Broke out today, jumping another 63 cents or 8.25%. And now I'm looking for 9.5 3/4. NXT broke out today with a major breakaway gap and a big move ending up 1142 or 25% on 21.3 million. It is at the channel top, so it may need to rest in here, but my next target is mid-60s. OLMA, steady as she goes in a rising channel. The coil finally broke today as it popped 259 or almost 20%. Looking for a retest now of 17 3/4 and then low to mid-20s. Plug looks like its bottom broke through its resistance yesterday and followed through today, although it did back off. It still finished up 28 cents or 6%. We put a new swing on it, but maybe a bit premature. Let's see if any pullback consolidation takes place. Then your target's 5 3/4 and 6 3/4. SMCI, the monster in the midway, up another 63.5 points, 12% more. The long-term target say the top of this channel might be as high as 750 to 775. Junior uranium stock UEC popped as well and is now retesting the highs for the year. Next targets are 9 and 10. And finally, VERA has done nothing but explode since he had a breakaway gap 7-8 days ago. Today, getting up to my target at 38. That's the all-time high. I'm thinking now the stock is long in the tooth and may need to rest. Still very strong momentum. That's a look at the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. Good night, everybody. This is HP signing off. Talk to you then.